serene, serene. Calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Eloquent, eloquent. Fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Quaint, quaint. Attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Resilient, resilient. Able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Voracious, voracious. Wanting or devouring great quantities of food, having a very eager approach to a particular activity. Luminous, luminous. Emitting light, full of light, bright or shining, especially in the dark. Mellifluous, mellifluous. Of a voice or words, sweet or musical, pleasant to hear. Ubiquitous, ubiquitous. Present, appearing, or found everywhere. Pristine, pristine. In its original condition, unspoiled. Ineffable, ineffable. Too great or extreme to be expressed or described in words.